Today we will learn 30 daily use common English phrases. He gets up early every day. She brushes her teeth before going out. They eat breakfast in the morning. We eat breakfast in the morning. John checks his messages and emails. The cat drinks water during the day. We take a walk in the evening. They cook dinner at night. Mary reads a book before sleeping. The alarm clock wakes him up each morning. The family does a little exercise daily. The baby wears comfortable clothes at home. Sarah says hello to her neighbors. She writes in the journal sometimes. He writes in the journal sometimes. The plants need water regularly. We talk to our family every day. The worker takes breaks throughout the day. The worker takes breaks periodically. A funny video makes them laugh. The dog enjoys a good pet. The planner helps in organizing. A helping hand is offered if possible. The comedian tells a joke. Deep breaths are taken calmly. Deep breaths are practiced. The sunscreen protects his skin. Love is shared with everyone. The app shows the weather forecast. Pictures are taken sometimes. Memories are captured sometimes. Strangers are greeted with smiles. Smiles are offered to strangers. I learn new things regularly. We constantly learn new things. Thank you all for your active participation today. I enjoyed our time together, and I'm impressed by your enthusiasm for learning. Remember, your questions and engagement make our class vibrant. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need assistance before our next session. Have a great day, and see you soon.